Hello everybody and welcome back to Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson, and today I have another plant unboxing video. I only got one package in the post today, this long one, so we just need to get it open and see what we've got going on. Always so exciting! And they're always so well packed. Let's see here. Ooh, so long. Nice long tube. So, paper, tape, get this tape off, get straight into that plant. What have we got here? There's layers and layers and layers. Which is the top? That's the top actually, this side. Ooh, what's going on here? What we got? Now, let's have a look. Oh, I want to open it a little bit more so you can see its beautiful leaves. Okay, this is turning out to be a little bit strange. It's really, really difficult to get off, and it's really, really difficult to figure out where it's starting and where it's stopping and all sorts. This one, for example, has, I don't know what's going on, 2 bits in one go. See if I can, yeah, it looks like I can slowly pull it off actually. Here we go, let's pull off this and see what we have. And there it is. Oh, that's nice. Beautiful little variegated leaves again. So, this beautiful plant that I want to show you right now is this Philodendron sodiroi ornatum. Look at that. Isn't it just beautiful? Those leaves with that beautiful shimmer of silver again, and they're a little bit long at the point, and they grow in this form where there are different stems coming out of the one at the bottom. This is a philodendron like all others. It can be grown up and vining, and that's what it does, but it can also be trimmed back so that it stays in this structure here, where it will grow more stems out and become a kind of bush. So you can decide yourself if you want it to be a bushing plant or a vining plant. But I'm going to be having it as a vining plant because I love all my vining plants growing up tall and getting large leaves. Now we know that if you want your philodendrons to get larger leaves, they need to be growing upwards, and then the leaves will get larger and larger the taller they get. But if they are hanging or kept small, trimmed, then for the most part the leaves will stay quite small. So this is a beautiful little plant. Look at those stems closer here, aren't they beautiful? Very, very nice. Look at this. Those leaves, they're just absolutely wonderful. Really, really beautiful, striking colours. And these make wonderful house plants. And if you're in a warmer climate, of course, they are beautiful for being out in the garden. But they do great as houseplants. That's why they're so wonderful for people like me that live in Sweden, where it can get quite cold outside, and I could definitely not have these plants outside. But this grows very, very well indoors, and most philodendrons grow very, very fast. My philodendrons are growing wildly. They seem to be very, very happy, most of them for the most part. So I'm really happy to have this. And just to show you another plant that has the same kind of patterning but different shaped leaves, I'm going to get another plant that I already unpacked in another video and put it next to this one so you can see. Now this is the Philodendron brandtianum. So now when I bring them in closer together, you can see they both still have this wonderful silvery pattern on them and the same kind of colour leaf. But the difference is that the Philodendron brandtianum on my right here has smaller heart-shaped kind of leaves. Then look at them together like this. You can clearly see the difference between the leaves. They're really, really beautiful plants. So I just had to get me some more philodendrons to add to my collection, especially ones that have these beautiful patternings in their leaves. And behind me, I put on the table today my beautiful Calathea orbifolia because, again, same kind of colouring, the silver and the green, beautiful patternings together. So I just wanted to bring that in as well. and that is also doing very well for me. This leaf is a brand new leaf. It only took about 3 days or something like that to come out, and it's flushed out much taller than the rest of the plant. I actually just want to show you closer. Why not, while we're here? Look at that. That leaf has just decided to pop out. It's beautiful. This Calathea orbifolia is doing so well for me. There are so many people saying that this is very, very hard to keep and it browns off easily and it's a real diva. This plant has been doing wonderfully for me in here. I have a very low light situation. I have high humidity and I water it when it starts drying out and I just leave it alone. And now and again, I spray my plants when I feel like it, no set routine. And this plant is just loving it. It was a little thing. Take a closer look at my plant. And excuse me, tell me if this plant looks like a diva to you. I've had this plant 2 months now. And it is doing wonderfully. So just wanted to bring that in for a little close up while we're talking about plants with this kind of patterning on them. So this one has been in a little plug, ready to be planted into a pot straight away. And this one I've already potted on and also spoken about in another video. So basically, the only one I had that was new today was this one, the Philodendron sodiroi ornatum. So for me and this beautiful plant, I'd like to say thank you very much once again for watching Gardens and Crystals with me, Wesley Peterson. Please remember to like, subscribe and hit the bell so that you know when my next video upload will be. And I will see you in another video very, very soon. Take care. Goodbye.